So we're looking for Rosemary Beach. You said it's the combination of the Caribbean and St. Augustine.
That's what Rosemary Beach is.
Rosemary Beach, 30 Avenue Shop.
Scenic Florida Scenic Highway. Scenic 30A. Okay, Rosemary
Inlet Beach, Rosemary, and
Alley
Seacrest.
Beach, Seacrest.
Watch out for those people over there. Okay, now this is Rosemary Beach for
Okay,
real.
you know what, Jim? I think you're going to have to help me really pay attention
I am
to
totally.
the cars.
I will. We're going to keep the people of Rosemary Beach safe today. Let these people cross on their bikes. Yes. Hey man, this is a winner. I love. This place is gorgeous. Lots of recreation, passing some tennis courts. Now, do people live here or are these like resort condos?
Don't have an answer.
Oh wow, look at all these people on bikes. Looks like we're entering a commercial shopping district of Rosemary Beach at Barrett Square. This must be downtown Rosemary Beach. It was established in 1995. Oh wow.
This is nice.
Very nice. You talk about planned residential development. Rosemary is awesome. Look at the parks, public spaces, and shopping.
Very important, you're forgetting. And he said this is not.
Now we got to rescue Champ. This place is absolutely gorgeous. The architecture, the skies, the landscaping, it's amazing. Everyone needs to visit Rosemary Beach. This place is unbelievably classy. It's like Fantasy World. It's Nirvana. I almost feel guilty seeing how beautiful and clean this town is. There are places in the world that are struggling, that have poor economies. But this is the antithesis of poverty, would be Rosemary Beach. Now we're passing the Summer Kitchen Café. They're taking for lunch and breakfast. You would think you'd see more dogs here. Well, won't stop us now. Now this is the Rosemary Beach Western Green Walkover G. Man, this must be the high rent district here, right in walking distance. I can hear the Gulf of Mexico. I can see the lush green, hear the waves roll in. This place is a feast for the eyes. You can smell the fragrant hibiscus flowers. A little trash from Twizzlers. And you can ride your bike at the beach. Well, no, this is a great vantage point as we work our way down to look at how beautiful the beaches here are in Rosemary Beach. It has like a New England feel to it. Look at the mathematically precise. Look at the umbrellas here on the beach. Now we're looking west towards Destin. This is a great vantage point to experience the beautiful beaches they have here. And you walk down steps or causeways to the beach. And now you're looking at some multi-million-dollar properties here in Rosemary Beach. Exquisite.
You see all the different color umbrellas?
Yeah, I know.
They must have their...
Yeah.
So they have you have to have a pass to the code to get in. But then you get your chairs and your tape and your umbrellas.
So this is like private. exquisite here. Watch the waves come. And now you're looking at the beach here in Rosemary Beach. See the amazing colors, the waves, blues, green, teals, aquas. Amazing. He got out of his infinity collar.
What's that? Okay.
Hold him and I'll take the infinity collar out.
Yeah, because
Our table's ready.
I love this plaza here. We're passing the banks, the boutiques, restaurants. This place is like a fantasy. Hey, thanks for bringing me here. I didn't know about this. I thought it was just yet another beach, kind of like, Crystal River. Yeah, this is awesome. Oh, I love the shopping here. If you want to go any stores, I'll hold the dog for you. Awesome shopping here at Disco. There's a combination of living, shopping, schools, everything you might imagine here. Just a gorgeous day to come visit. I love looking at all these balconies, the sky, the trees. Across the street is Kilwins Chocolates. I could really go for a candy bar or a candy apple.
you want to walk down one of these streets, it's a pretty store. So,
Probably at the end of the street is probably the beach, I'd imagine.
okay. Let's just walk around there.
Man, this place is amazing.
You've never heard
I had never heard of this.
it's like a little residential.
I don't know.
Was that? Uh-huh. So you didn't think, no, this was going to be.
No, I didn't know what this is going to be.
I kept telling you, we gotta stop at
Yeah.
Rosemary Beach.
Right, absolutely. I think there are.
But then, like, you're here for the kids, do you think they're rental?
I think it's both. It's whatever you want it to be. I think we should follow those people. They're probably headed towards the beach. Yeah, I think you're right. Now we're passing Paradis Seafood Steak Lounge at night. This is one of the classier restaurants in Rosemary Beach. Love the East Dutch Rosemary Beach post office. The pavers add a sense of texture and history to a new community. It's not even 50 years old. It's a good looking dog there. And a wide view of the main Dragon Boulevard here. So let's pan along this boulevard here. Amazing. Looks very European. I've been to Curacao in the Caribbean. This is prettier, classier. It's a great place to dine al fresco. We're on our way. We're trying to find the beach here. Are those Acai Bowls?
Yeah.
Oh, they're in line for those bowls, honey. We might want to try what's going on with them.
I want that chicken.
Oh, you want to go to Dodge, right? Want some Dodge fried chicken? Man, this is really happening here. These Acai Bowls here. And now you're looking straight up Barnett here in Rosemary Beach. You see the terraces, the Dutch East Indies architecture, and a ton of people waiting for playables. Now you're looking at the Pearl, a fine hotel here in Rosemary Beach. Very California, very Dutch, very classy. I love the architecture. And what lovely artwork they have here. How you doing? Good. And now you're looking at the Pearl Hotel here, right along the main drag of Rosemary Beach. Looks very East Indies. I love the Dutch influence of architecture. Absolutely beautiful here. Oh, the shopping and,
Yeah.
and just the beach you'd love too. How classy it is.
Okay, champ. Oh, this guy's big champ. He makes you look small.
And my wife, a voracious reader, has found a bookstore. And here's a fun place to rent bikes when you stay at Rosemary Beach. Follow me to Bombora. That sounds exotic. Oh, here it is. The Bombora Sun and Surf Shop. After hours check-in, key drops, in case you wonder how to get a cottage here. How interesting. Hey, do you have a list of available rentals for next month? You're fully booked? Okay. But you're getting there, great.
Let me see. Some more brochures.
Okay, thank you. And the fountains are all over the place here in Rosemary Beach. It's a rich part of the culture of the community. And the clothing stores are fabulous here.
You like them what?
There's a lot of thought for the detailing. Whoever planned this spent hours, the minutiae of detail.
Yeah.
That must be like a public pool there.
Thing is watching for the pedestrians. Like these actually look like old houses, don't they?
They do, like hundreds of years old. I think you make a right turn at the stop sign.
That's what I was gonna do. I think it's back to there must have been some reason you couldn't go.
Sure.
Look at this. Oh, it's like it's amazing, isn't it? Look at this, Jim.
Oh, I mean the landscaping?
Yeah, just the way it
Yeah.
looks.
Do you think it's a church or you think it's a house?
Town offices.
Oh, yeah. Pay your property taxes.
Then it gets a little more not as nice.
But look, everyone's coming to Rosemary Beach.
Oh yeah.